Hey everyone, this is Glenn aka Sprite Wrench, and welcome back to another page from my digital sketchbook. Today I'm going to be talking about this goat dragon here, and one of the things I really wanted to showcase with this design is, well, it's a goat. For some reason, while I was building out or sketching out this design, one of the things that kept coming to mind is Dexter's Lab, that Chupa episode. So every time I drew a line, I kept on hearing that bah, the Chupa line pop up in my head. So that was the origin for the nose, the teeth, the tongue. It was really kind of to add this little bit of a sinister element to the design, because it's a dragon, it's something you're supposed to be fighting, and I didn't necessarily want to make it look like a cute baby goat, right? So there's that. But I still wanted to incorporate a little bit of whimsy, a little bit of silly. So we have the eyelashes coming in and kind of just showcasing it being, slightly cute if you tilt your head. Another thing I really wanted to bring out is the horns, because what is a goat without their horns? So make sure that they're big and curved. When it comes to wing designs, I don't generally like having opened, flared wings as an element for my dragons, mostly because it often feels like a cop-out. It doesn't feel necessarily like a natural pose, unless it's supposed to be fighting off or scaring off an enemy. So most of my designs don't really showcase a lot of open wings unless it's a special occasion. As for the hair, originally I wanted to try and showcase it as being very fluffy, but I realized over time that it wasn't communicating properly. It made his chest look a little bit luxurious and rather than scruffy, which is what mountain goats kind of tend to look like, right? So went back, cleaned up those lines a bit, added in some spikes, try and make things a little bit more, less neat, more fluffy, and those type of stuff. A lot of time was spent, cleaning up the lines. I find that with some of these pieces, if I don't have a clear vision at the start, this is one of the better pieces, because I had an idea from the beginning of what I wanted this to look like. Dexter's Lab, Le Chupacabra. So everything kind of came together really naturally. As for the color palette, I originally wanted to kind of showcase, an orange to kind of contrast the rest of the mountain area that it would find this beast. I tried experimenting with different colors, making it dark like the black goat, but I didn't necessarily like that sinister element. I kind of ended up defaulting back to that original palette of kind of this burnt-ish yellow. But yeah, that's the Alpine Chupa. without further ado, meet the Alpine Chupa, the mountain goat wyvern. These beasts scale the formidable mountain range to search for Keet-Keet eggs, which represents their sole source of protein. They round out their diet by scavenging for scraps left behind by larger predators. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked what you saw. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.